This video applies to the 2000 through 2005 Buick LeSabre. These rear Chelsea anchor covers should last the lifetime of the vehicle, but every now and then you'll run into one that is cracked. Now I wonder how they broke this one. I could not find one for sale online, but I was able to find one at my local salvage yard. Cost $5. The trim color is different, and I hope it doesn't trigger your OCD. To remove it without breaking it, you'll need a slim trim tool. Place it into position and rock it to the sides. If the cover is the original, it will be glued to the carpeting on this side. Rocking it back and forth carefully breaks that bond. Then you should be able to lift the cover and pull it out. To install, this metal tank goes in first, and that's it. Sometimes the back portion won't fit in. To fix that, sand down some of the wood so these three spiky parts can pass through. I believe the 2000 through 2005 Pontiac Bonneville covers fit the LeSabre, but those have a different method of getting out. Good luck on your projects. Have a good day.